So, we're in Conway today for jury duty. I'm sitting on a jury. It's a murder case. It's a very complex case. Can't talk about it. Got a little break, so I thought I'd check out some of the local scenery. Different from downtown cesspool Myrtle Beach, where there's a shooting or a murder about every night. Well, not a murder every night, but there's something going on, something bad all the time. And it is absolutely gorgeous on the river in Conway. It's a beautiful little area they have right along the river. It's very nicely put together by the city. Kind of span out a little bit. Landscape beautifully. You get some boats and stuff. They got a little walk. They call it the river walk. It goes all along the river, obviously. So, really nice down here. Just gorgeous. And the weather today. The weather today is.
Morning.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
Hey, really friendly people down here too. Walking their dogs. It's very, very peaceful. God, so nice. It's about 78 degrees today, not a bit of humidity. Nice, sunny day right on the river. Yeah, we're gonna go for a walk.